his first love, he gave new meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. He came into my life and made the living fine. He fills my heart. He fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. He fills my soul with so much love.